A new type of airless steel wheels can transform operations of heavy-duty mining trucks. These wheels are developed by Global Air Cylinder Wheels, an Arizona-based company. The new wheels are aimed at addressing the significant costs and environmental issues associated with traditional tires. The patented air suspension wheel is an airless mechanical wheel constructed primarily of steel with in-wheel pneumatic suspension. The new wheels are engineered for durability, with a design intended to last for the lifespan of the vehicle, which is typically 10 to 15 years.